everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very special unboxing to share with you, and it's a limited edition Look Fantastic box, and it's in collaboration with Sarah Chapman. You might be able to see there it's a foil print of the street where her Skinesis clinic is based in London. So Sarah Chapman is a facialist and cosmetic scientist. She is the founder, CEO and product formulator at her Skinesis clinic in Chelsea, London. She is one of the most respected and sought after experts in the whole beauty industry, and her award-winning Skinesis range was launched in 2008. Now inside the box is a full facial regime recommended by Sarah Chapman herself to start you on your journey of a naturally beautiful complexion. There's 6 products inside this box. It has a value of £184.50, and if you're a subscriber to Look Fantastic, you can purchase this box for £65, and if you're a non-subscriber to their monthly subscription box, you can purchase this box for £70, and it goes on sale on the 24th of July. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. The box has a magnet fastening, which is really smart. And it says here, skin science, radiance, confidence, glow and positivity. You are able to scan that QR code in the corner there so that you're able to read the leaflet online. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. So that's what the packaging looks like. Let's get some worms out of the way. I'll show you in better detail, but I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek there. So first product in the box that I'm going to show you is the item that I've already got, and I really like it. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, yeah, it's just really nice. I'll open it up and show you. So this is Sarah Chapman's facial lift tool, and it costs around £30, I believe, and this is what it looks like. The aim is to roll it up and down your skin, different movements, not near your eyes, but you can do it all over your face and neck and everything. It helps boost blood circulation, it helps improve absorption of all your other skincare. It's just really nice. It's just really nice. It gets rid of puffiness and everything. So what else can I tell you about it? It says this innovative facial massager promotes toned and glowing skin by mimicking the techniques of a professional Sarah Chapman facial massage at home, encouraging blood flow and boosting the supply of vital nutrients and oxygen to your skin. The device features 48 modules and 8 heads that roll across the skin to brighten, drain toxins and reduce puffiness. The facial lift redefines and tones the contours of your face, releasing tension in the jaw, aiding lymphatic drainage and dramatically lifting and sculpting. And then it goes into detail on how to use it. But there's more information online on the Sarah Chapman website, plus I believe she's got a YouTube page as well. If you want to learn more details about these products, I'll pop links down in the description. So yeah, so we've got a facial lift tool. We'll go through the regime from start to finish, and we're starting with a cleanser. So this is Skinesis Ultimate Cleanse, Cleansing Balm, and we've got 30 mils here. And the information about it says, this balmy omega-rich cleanser instantly melts into your skin. The intelligent aromatic infusion with vitamin A works deep into the pores to melt impurities and removes all traces of dirt and makeup, including waterproof mascara. Ultimate Cleanse leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated with no tight or uncomfortable feeling. Skin is nourished, brightened and smooth. You will see with each product there is more information on the page there, so it gives you recommendations on how best to use it and how to apply it and different ways of using it, etc. It's suitable for all skins, morning and night. More oily skin should opt for nighttime use only. So I just want to try a little bit. Yeah, it just feels like a nice balm. The smell is gorgeous. I'm very new to Sarah Chapman skincare. I haven't tried any of her products before. The smell is gorgeous. The smell is really lovely. So that's the cleanser. And the next item in the box is the morning facial, and I wasn't sure what it was. It's a day elixir, and I've just read some of the information. It sounds amazing, which I'll read to you now. There's 15 mils here. There's a little booklet to go with it, and that's what it looks like there. Press down the top. Can I try a little bit there? So you apply this under your day cream. I can smell neroli, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I'm sure I'm right. I'm not very good when it comes to detecting certain scents, especially when it comes to like aromatherapy type smells and oils and things, but I just love that scent. I just love it. It says, this silky power potion is a lightweight youth boosting elixir expertly formulated with cosmeceutical technologies, botanical oils and fill-in spheres to maximize radiance, intensely hydrate and plump fine lines every morning, targeting deeper signs of damage and aging by boosting collagen production, increasing the skin's firmness and elasticity. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? It sounds absolutely amazing. And it's for dehydrated and thirsty skin which is in desperate need of moisture and a healthy glow. And then it goes into more details about the products there. Sounds amazing. I love that packaging. That is so smart. So we got a morning facial elixir. Next we've got an eye cream. And there's 5 mils in there. It says this brilliantly effective eye cream is designed to help reduce the appearance of lines, wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles with its unique blend of 5 peptides, antioxidants, vitamins and light diffusing technology. Formulated to increase hydration and stimulate collagen and cell activity, our Skinesis eye recovery helps to soothe, plump and improve the eye contour area. It says it's the only eye cream you will need. This treatment is suitable for everyone and can be used day and night. Is that. Next we've got a moisturiser, and this is a 5 ml pot. I want to try it in my hand. See what it's like. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's going to be a really thick, luxurious one. Can you see there? Oh, let's try a tiny bit. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, it's just lovely. It's not overpowering. The scent isn't overpowering, but it's just nice and fresh and really lovely. Yeah, that feels so nice. It is thick, but it is absorbing into my skin lovely. It's leaving my skin really soft. So this is, what's it called? I've got it on here now. What's it say? This is a comfort cream de-stress. This nourishing formula is designed to soothe new age sensitivities and fortify the skin barriers in defense against modern life's aggressors. The skin barrier is restored, redness is reduced, irritation and discomfort are instantly eased. The result is a hydrated, plump and smoother complexion. The formula is best used regularly for long-term benefits, applied both morning and night. And then it goes into giving you more details about that cream. It's got a moisturiser. And lastly, we've got an overnight facial. I think there's 50 mils in here as well. Yeah. 15 mils there. This is an award-winning silky serum oil elixir that creates all the benefits of a Sarah Chapman Skinesis facial overnight. This sophisticated formula combines cosmeceutical actives and soothing anti-inflammatory omegas. Skin is comforted and protected. Vitamin A and vitamin C rejuvenate and brighten. And it says suitable for everyone. Massage 1 to 2 pumps of overnight facial onto the skin each night. Okay, let's try a tiny bit on here. I know I've got cream. Oh, I've put too much now. The formula is a little bit thicker than the day elixir. But no, that is nice. I've put it on top of my moisturiser now in my hand. Yeah, gorgeous smell. That is lovely. Right, I just wipe my hands. So those are all the products inside the box. The box costs £65 for subscribers, £70 for non-subscribers, goes on sale on the 24th of July, and the value is £184.50. So to recap, you've got a facial lift skin tool, got a morning facial day elixir, we've got an ultimate cleanse, we've got an eye recovery cream, we got a comfort cream and de-stress moisturiser, and lastly we got the overnight facial elixir. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you've tried any of the Sarah Chapman products featured in this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts about them. As I said, I'm a bit of a newbie, so I'm interested in hearing what you think. But yeah, all details and everything will be listed down below. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.